In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for time management. Trello is a powerful and intuitive tool that helps you organize your tasks, visualize your workflow, and stay productive throughout your day. Whether you're managing personal errands, planning your weekly schedule, or keeping track of a big project, Trello gives you the flexibility to create a system that works for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your board, structure your tasks, and use Trello's features to stay on top of your deadlines. Let's get started. To begin, open Trello and click the plus button in the top menu. From there, select Create Board. This will be the space where all your tasks, lists, and ideas come together. Give your board a clear and meaningful name that reflects what you'll use it for. For example, you might call it Personal Productivity, Weekly Schedule, or Daily Tasks, whatever suits your goals. Once your board is created, it's time to set up your lists. Lists in Trello act as columns that help you organize your workflow. Think about how you like to manage your time and break it down into stages. For example, you could create lists like Backlog, Today, In Progress, and Done to track tasks as they move through completion. Or, if you prefer a time of day approach, set up lists like Morning, Afternoon, and Evening. The key is to make it match your personal process. Now that your lists are ready, add cards to represent individual tasks. These are the building blocks of your board, so make each one focused and actionable. For instance, you could create cards like Reply to Emails, Work Out, or Write Report. Keep them clear and specific so you know exactly what needs to be done. To make your tasks even more organized, apply labels to your cards. Labels are a simple way to categorize and prioritize your work. You might use colors to indicate priority levels like high, medium, or low, or you can group tasks by type, such as work, personal, fitness, or learning. This will make it easier to scan your board at a glance. Next, open each card and set a due date and time. This step is crucial for receiving reminders as deadlines approach. Simply select the calendar option within the card, pick a date, and add a specific time if needed. This way, you'll never miss an important task. For tasks that have multiple steps, take advantage of checklists within your cards. For example, if you're working on a project report, you might create a checklist with items like research, draft, edit, and submit. This helps you break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. As you work through your day, move cards across the board to reflect their progress. For instance, start by dragging a task from Backlog to Today when you're ready to focus on it. Then move it to In Progress as you work, and finally to Done once it's complete. This simple process gives you a clear visual of what's been accomplished and what's still left to do. To get an overview of your tasks, switch to Calendar View to see them arranged by date. This is especially helpful for planning your week or checking upcoming deadlines. If you're using Trello's premium features, you can also try the Timeline view for a broader perspective on your projects and deadlines. To save time and streamline your workflow, use Trello's automation tool called Butler. With Butler, you can create rules to handle repetitive actions. For example, you can set up an automation to move cards from Backlog to Today each morning or apply priority labels as tasks get closer to their due dates. It's a great way to keep your board running smoothly with minimal effort. At the end of each day or week, take a moment to review and reflect. Look over your done list to celebrate your accomplishments and note any delays or unfinished tasks. Use this time to adjust your plans and set yourself up for success moving forward. Finally, keep your today list short to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Focus on just a few key tasks at a time and archive completed cards to keep your board clean and organized. This will help you maintain clarity and stay productive day after day. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.